Everyone. I am Arnav Mishra of Team 4 KV SGPGI, Class 10th. My topic on Viksit Bharat Buildathon under subtopic Atmanirbhar Bharat is solar powered portable water purifier, an innovation under Viksit Bharat Buildathon 2047. About Viksit Bharat Buildathon. What is it? A joint initiative by the Ministry of Education and Atal Innovation Mission to inspire young innovators across India. Our mission to help students classes 6th to 12th share creative ideas that can transform India into a developed nation by 2047. Four key themes. First, Atmanirbhar Bharat, self-reliant India, building solutions using our own resources and capabilities. Second, Swadeshi, promoting Indian goods. Third, vocal for local, supporting local products, strengthening our local economy and communities. Fourth, Samriddh Bharat, prosperous India, creating innovations for a developed and thriving nation. Our vision for clean water. India's journey to 2047. Our nation is working towards becoming self reliant and developed by 2047. This means solving real problems that affect millions of Indians every day. One major challenge access to clean drinking water, especially in rural areas where families struggle to find safe water sources. Our solution, a solar powered portable water purifier that brings clean water anywhere, powered entirely by the sun's renewable energy. The problem we are solving, limited access to safe water. Many rural and remote families across India still lack reliable access to clean drinking water sources. High cost of purifiers. Traditional water purifiers require constant electricity and are expensive to buy and maintain. Health risk. Unsafe water leads to disease like cholera, typhoid, and diarrhea affecting children the most. Need for innovation. We urgently need a low cost, electricity free, and eco friendly solution that works anywhere in India. How our purifier works. Our solar powered purifier uses simple technology and that anyone can understand and operate. Here's the step by step process. First, solar panel captures sunlight. Second, water gets filtered. Dirty water passes through a multi stage filter or UV light that removes dirt, germs, and harmful bacteria. Third, energy powers the pump. The stored solar energy runs a small pump and filter system without needing any external electricity. Clean water collection. Pure, safe drinking water is collected in a separate container ready to use immediately. Key feature, the entire system is light, portable, and easy to use. Perfect for villagers, schools, picnics, and emergency situations. Materials required. Our design uses affordable, locally available materials that support Atmanirbhar Bharat. First, small solar panel captures sunlight that and converts it to electricity for the pump and filter. Second, plastic containers used for storage of water can be recycled from bottles to reduce waste. A third, mini pump or filter pushes water through the purification system efficiently. Fourth, UV light or charcoal filters removes germs and impurities. Fifth, basic wires and tubes like simple electrical connections. All materials can be purchased from local markets, supporting Indian businesses and making the project truly self reliant. Benefits of our innovation. Safe water anywhere. Provides clean drinking water in villages, schools during travel or in emergencies. Renewable energy runs entirely on solar power. Promotes self reliance. Supports India's Atmanirbhar mission by using local materials and encouraging innovation. Affordable solution, low cost design makes it accessible to rural families, schools, and communities across India. Support India's vision, aligned perfectly with Viksit Bharat 2047, helping build a healthier, self sufficient nation. Conclusion. Innovation for a better India. This solar powered water purifier reflects the true spirit of the Viksit Bharat Buildathon. Creative thinking, practical solutions, and dedication to our nation's progress. Simple and practical. Easy for anyone to build and use. Eco friendly, powered by the sun, protecting our environment, promotes health and self reliance, supporting communities across India. A quote, a clean drop of water for every Indian, powered by the sun. Together, we can build an Atmanirbhar Bharat. Thank you.